Jefferson County Court at law number 2 is now in session. Court is in session and calls number M329-864. Case is style of State of Texas versus Jimmy Lawrence Martin III. Mr. Martin, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Martin?
Good, good.
That's good. Now, Mr. Martin, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Donald Boudreaux. Attorney Boudreaux, how are you doing?
Just fine, sir.
That's good. Now, Mr. Boudreaux, the state is represented in this case by Attorney Colby Hallpower. Attorney Hallpower, how are you doing?
Good job, thank you.
Mr. Boudreaux, what is your announcement in Mr. Martin's case?
Your Honor, this matter has been said according to my client. He's been here about 11 times. And the first time, he was.
Let me do this here. My question is, what is your announcement? You want to announce it for trial? You want to announce it for plea? Okay, let's give him a trial date. Give him a number one setting. Do April the 4th. Yeah, this case is going to be set for April 4th, 2023. This is going to be a number one setting.
April what, sir?
April 4th.
April 4th.
It's next month.
Monday.
Okay.
Well,
It's next
April
Monday?
3rd. It's April 3rd.
Third is Monday.
April the
Yeah,
3rd.
the 3rd is Monday.
Okay. Yeah, is that not enough time for you?
Well,
I mean, we can do
we
the
can get it. I've already took my letter. I'll send.
Well, we can send out, we'll put it on the 11th then.
Well, the 10th, I keep saying 10th.
What you said?
April 10th.
April 10th, okay.
April
That's good,
10th.
that's fine.
Yeah, we'll put it on April 10th. And it's gonna be a number one setting. Okay,
Sure.
okay. Let's reset the case. Now, Mr. Boudreaux, you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go.
Yes,
You have a
sir.
blessed day.
That's the
Miss-
only one I have this morning.
Yes, yes. And Mr. Martin, once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
So about a week from now.
Okay.
If I like I work in like plants and stuff, so like, well, I just let them know it probably.
Yeah, you need to be here in person.
Yes, sir.
Right, okay.
And we found out I wound up with it.
So you were appointed on November the 9th of 2022. Okay, his previous attorney withdrew off his case.
I'm
Okay.
fine. She never showed up.
She who?
The other.
Oh, well, we never was set for trial.
Yeah, we're never set for trial.
So,
I discussed it with-
so.
She's not required to come out of subpoena or anything.
Right. So we'll be ready to go on November the 10th. Okay? April the 10th. Okay, which is
2 weeks.
about 2 weeks from now. Okay, that's fine. Debs County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Cases in session and cause number M330820, case of South State of Texas versus Celso Martinez. Mr. Martinez is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Martinez, how are you doing? I don't know if he can, oh, he's trying to connect to the audio now. Mr. Martinez, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how are you doing, Mr. Martinez?
Pretty good. How are you, Your Honor?
I'm doing fine. Mr. Martinez, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Joel Vasquez. Attorney Vasquez is present in court. Attorney Vasquez, how are you doing?
Good, Your Honor. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Vasquez, what is your announcement in Mr. Martinez's case?
Your Honor, could we have some more time on Mr. Martinez's case? He has a JP reduction and needs some more time.
Okay, how much time does he need?
Do we have 60 days?
Okay, 60 days. Now, Mr. Martinez, you'll be able to pay the fine and court costs on the JP reduction in 60 days?
Yes, sir. I will be able to do that.
Okay, give us a reset date.
7 or the 14th.
It's June 14th. Okay, this case is gonna be reset to June 14th of 2023. Give you an opportunity to pay the fine and court costs on the JP reduction. Mr. Martinez, your attorney, Mr. Vasquez is going to be given a copy of your reset date. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Again, this case is reset until June 14, 2023 at 9 a.m. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You do so as well.
You're welcome. Thank you. And Mr. Vasquez, you can get your reset. Once you get the reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day as well.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm looking for this guy, Hampton
Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Next case is cause number M329929. Case is South, the state of Texas versus Gabe Wade Vaughn. Mr. Vaughn, please come forward. Mr. Vaughn, please stand on the X. Mr. Vaughn, is your full name Gabe Wade Vaughn?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Vaughn?
Doing well, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Vaughn, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Bruce Smith. Attorney Smith, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Smith, what is your announcement in Mr. Vaughn's case?
Your Honor, on Mr. Bond's case, I'm dealing directly with Pat Canal, and he requested more information, and I dropped it off to him yesterday. So I'm just waiting on a response back. It should be relatively soon.
A response like on pretrial diversion or something? Okay, give us a reset date?
You get on the announcement document,
Yes,
June 7th or the 14th.
which one? 7 or the 14th? June 7 or June 14th? Which one is
14.
June 14th? Okay. Okay, Mr. Vaughn, your case will be reset on June 14th at 9 a.m. Your attorney's going to sign for your reset. Once you get the reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thanks, sir.
And Mr. Smith, once you get your reset, you'll be free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Your Honor, this is.
Yeah, okay.
Kirksey.
All right, Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session and calls number M314910. Case is styled with State of Texas versus Dusty Rhodes Kirksey. Mr. Kirksey, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Kirksey? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Kirksey. You're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Mark Faggett. Attorney Faggett, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor. Thank you for asking.
Mr. Faggett, what is your announcement in Mr. Kirksey's case?
Your Honor, I spoke with the prosecutor this morning, and we're going to ask for one more reset. Mr. Kirksey is willing to make restitution in the case he needed. How long do you need to get all the money?
I got it next week.
Okay. Can you reset us 30 days and I'll talk
Yes.
to Mr. Hoppower?
Okay, give us a 30-day reset.
And if you will send me the amount of the restitution, you want the check done, the cashier's check done to you?
Not to, it's gonna be to the complaining witness, so I'll give you that information.
Sure. And then we'll see what else we can get done.
Okay,
You want to do May 31st?
May 31st?
I will be in Mexico,
Can we just go ahead and put it in June
latter part of June,
14th?
be in trial on another case.
Okay,
Just go
What's-
ahead.
what's
just give
in
me,
June?
How about we do it, sometime in May
Okay.
before I could leave for Mexico?
Okay. So that's
And I got a trial.
when you leaving?
3 days.
When are you leaving?
I leave on the 30th.
of May.
Yes.
So you got to do it before the 30th,
We can do 14th.
That'll work.
May 14th? Okay. It's just an announcement, right?
Right.
So you got announcements on Mondays
We can do the 10th.
and Fridays,
17th.
Monday, Wednesday, Friday. You said the 10th or the 17th? Either one of those will be
On the 24th.
10, 17, 24.
Well, why don't we do? Can you get the money for sure by May the 10th?
He said 1 week.
Yeah, so why don't we do May 10th?
Okay. All right.
Mallory Hurls is the name.
Okay, this case will be reset till May 10th, 2023 at 9 a.m. Mr. Mr. Kirksey, your attorney is going to sign for your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go.
Thank you, Mark.
And Mr. Faggett, once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
And you have a blessed day as well, Mr. Kirksey.